What's up? So, it's a little chilly out here today. It's about 25 degrees. Me and my brother-in-law here, Heath, say what's up.
What's up, guys?
We're gonna get this block slapped in there. We're gonna mount the transmission. I'm doing some putting these nice red motor mounts in there. Try them out. I was gonna switch it all over to tubular and all that, but couldn't get the shipping in time. I'm gonna do a little time-lapse video too. See what we got going on here so you guys can see some of it. There's the transmission. We're gonna bolt it up to the motor once we get the fuel pump. Putting the fuel pump in there now. We got a big old from the Holly fuel pump.
Nice and chrome.
So we're gonna get that slapped in there. So, all right, I'll post some more. We're out here for a little bit. Mounting the tranny up to the motor now. See if I can press around. We got the fuel pump on, motor mounts on. Get the transmission all mounted up. I bolted down the perches down here. Got the fuel line strapped against the frame over there. Good to go. A little bit more, and I think we're about ready to drop this inside the truck. Getting back to work. Well, we got her in there. Getting ready to start the mounts right now. Get them mounts bolted up. Go from there. Get back to some more work. See if we can get this thing cranking. All right, we're still working here. Doing the oil pressure line right now. Got her all mounted up. I got one header bolted down. I'm gonna go underneath and do the bottom motor mount. Got the 700R4 bolted down. Got the torque converters, the stall, the TCI 2800 stall going. Got the starter in. Got the starter in there. Just gotta do this header. We already got the drive shaft in. I cut the drive shaft 3.5 inches off, and it matched up just fine. It was a little tight when I took it out, so we took an extra 1/2 inch. And then the 3 inches difference was from the Turbo 350 with the 6-inch tail to the 704 with the 6-inch tail is 3 inches overall longer on the 704. So 3.5 inches worked out perfect. So we got the drive shaft in there, and we gotta do is do a couple more things and get this radiator put back in there.